Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I wanted to pop on and I want to show you some happy mail that I got. And don't you all want to see some yarn? I got this big huge box. Look at this. This is amazing. So let me go ahead and open it and then I'll show you where I got this yarn from and what's inside. Have you ever ordered something from a company and then when you got the box, you didn't know what you ordered? That's what this box is, okay? That's exactly what this box is. Mystery yarn. So it's a mystery to you, but it's also a mystery to me because I have no clue what's in here. So I'm super excited. Sometimes we order from companies and they take forever for us to send us the yarn, or they get an influx of orders and it just takes a while. So let's get right into it. Now this happy mail comes from a special friend, my little sis on the YT streets. And she said, "You are kinda a big deal." That is a trivia question. So who am I referring to and who am I speaking of? You are kinda a big deal. Who is it? Catch it. Who is this person? Oh my goodness. Look, 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 look. I hope you all guessed it right in the comments. And for those of you that don't know who this is, it's Sanita Makes Crochet Items, also known on the YT streets as Yarnita. Do, 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 do. I'm kind of a big deal. I'm a big deal, okay? And I love the packaging. Oh, it says Sanita Makes Crochet Items. Sent you happy mail. Enjoy. And it has a cute sticker on here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I don't even want to open it. The packaging is so beautiful and pretty. Oh, I see. It's a resealable pouch. Oh, I do feel extra special. Sorry for the crinkling. Ooh, I got some extra goodies, y'all. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I got a card, so we're going to open it. Ooh, I'm so excited. So let's see what the card says first. And we'll take it from there. It says, "Thoughts of you brighten my day." Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I gotta make sure my goodies stay up here. Isn't that pretty? This makes me smile. Inside, it says, "Oh, Ola Joe, thank you for your patience and allowing me to create a special pickle for you. Always remember, you are definitely emphasized. A really big deal in my book. Take care, Sanita." So check out Sanita Makes Crochet Items. If you don't already have her, go ahead and subscribe, turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification. I will put her link in the description box down below. She will brighten your day and she will make you smile. Catch it. And I do have Catch It merch. All right. Always be kind. Love the sticker. Always be kind. Today is a good day for a good day. All right. A lot of catches in this. That's right. And here is another one that says adventure is out there. Adventure is out there. This is great. I'm loving it. Thank you, Sanita. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm going to cherish this. This is especially made for me, and more than likely, no one else will get one of these because if you look very closely, this cute pickle has a sailor hat. Oh, look at Oh, it's so adorbs. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? I feel so special and I feel honored. And she figured out the mathematics and everything and made the cute sailor hat. I think it's adorable. Oh, look at the yarn. It even has a little sparkle of silver in the hat. And the camera isn't doing it justice, but I'm hoping you all can catch it. And I can actually hang this up. And I'm definitely going to hang this on my Christmas tree this year. Mm-hmm. Yes, I'm a big deal. And it has the red lips. You all know I love me a good lipstick. And it has a little cute red lips on it, cute eyes. Yes, very detailed. It's soft and it's so sweet. So thank you so much. I am a big deal. Okay. So I also got a pair of scissors. These are cute and they're purple. I love these. Very, very nice. They're small. And I need to see if this can go in the double hook holder pouch. They are small enough to fit. And I needed a pair. It has the little safety cover. This is a pair that I can take with me when I travel. So thank you so much. And you can never get enough of crochet hooks, okay? And it has the 3, 4, and 5 millimeter crochet hook. And yes, I do travel a lot. So having this and having a key ring, an extra key ring with crochet hooks is just perfect for me. I am jumping right into this box. This box is from Lion Brand Yarn. If you're not familiar with them, I'll put the link in the description box down below. I am a Lion Brand affiliate, but the only reason why I purchased yarn is because they had a 30% off sale. Where you're looking at right now is the Lion Brand Heartland yarn. It's 5 ounces, 142 grams, 251 yards, and 230 meters. It's 100% acrylic, medium weight 4, and it is machine washable and dryable. So for the knitting needles, you'll need a 5.5 millimeter, and the crochet hook, they recommend a J hook, which is the 6 millimeter. This is very pretty. It is soft. Let me pull it back a little bit so you can see. The next thing I purchased was the Go for Faux. I definitely wanted to put this around maybe some hats, or I could probably use it for a scarf. It is nice and buttery soft. Look at that color. This isn't the only one that they have. This is called Bear. And I really like this one. But it is 3.5 ounces. It's 100 grams, 65 yards, and 60 meters. It's 100% polyester, a super bulky 6. Machine wash gentle, lie flat to dry. And the recommended needle size is the 9 millimeter. And for the crochet hook is an N13, which is the 9 millimeter. So I got 2. You can also check out the Lion Brand patterns. They have some wonderful free patterns and paid patterns. If you would like to check those out. Next, we're going to talk about the Wool Ease Thick and Quick. It's one of my favorite yarns. As you can see, I have a 3-pack here. So that's 1. I have a second 3-pack. And what it's looking like is I ordered, and then I have two right here. All right, they're all the same. I do have a project that I'm going to be doing using this Woolies Thick and Quick. I will be using this yarn for a pillow, well, a set of 2 pillows. And what I did was I bought, there's 3 in this pack here. Make sure you all can see that. 3 in this pack here. All right. So that's 6. And these 2, 7, 8. This is called Sequoia. And it is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So if you have a wool allergy, this will not be for you. Super bulky 6. It is 5 ounces, 140 grams, 87 yards, and 80 meters. I love working with Lion Brand's Woolies Thick and Quick. This yarn is machine washable and dryable, and it's made in Turkey. But I'm going to put the latest and greatest deal from Lion Brand up on the screen. Put it in the description box, my affiliate link, because I am a Lion Brand affiliate. So if you would like to purchase, I'll get a little kickback from that. But I just love all these colors. So I will be showing you all the pillows once I get done with them. I cannot wait. I've done this pillow pattern before, but I have to do another set. And I'm really, really excited about it. Lion Brand was having a sale, 30% off. And I definitely wanted to get that Mesa hat and scarf kit. And it is Tunisian crochet. And that's why I got the Heartland yarn. It is paired with the landscapes. I do have a 3-pack. I'll open it and show you what it looks like very quickly. I love the feel of the landscapes. So here you are. It is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 147 yards, 134 meters. Medium weight 4. And the recommended needle size is a 10, 6 millimeter. And the crochet hook is a K, which is a 6.5 millimeter, 100% acrylic. You can machine wash gentle, lay flat to dry. And this is called Desert Spring. I thought this was very, very pretty. You can use other yarn combinations, but with this 3-pack, you'll have enough to do the kit. And I'll go ahead and then I'll just pop in what it's going to look like once it's finished. You do have an option to get the Chow Tunisian crochet hooks. I wanted to make sure that I had the right sizes. I didn't even want to think about it because I do have Tunisian crochet kits. So I wanted to get the right length as well. This is bamboo flexible hook. This is a 6.5 millimeter, which is the K hook. And I love these. The Chow. Oh yes, these work wonders. And you can also get the L. This is a size L, which is the 8 millimeter bamboo flexible hook. There, you can see how it's made. To me, I feel like using this particular brand, which is supposed to be a premium hook, that the yarn glides on this. And these are the ones that you should get. Okay, you don't have to. So if you already have some in your stash, you don't have to. But if you want to do the Mesa, you can. This is my yarn haul from Lion Brand. And I don't know why I thought this was Yarnspirations, but it's not. But thank you so much for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you. Go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider turning the bell on. Turn it to all so you won't miss a notification. Thank you to my members. I appreciate you. Thank you. You all have a great day. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.